anyway, I need to get that done. But I ordered these. I thought instead of, I'm trying to decide whether or not, well, this is interesting. Yeah, that looks perfect. Beautiful. I got this stone in. The stone guy said it was pretty hard to cut. This came out really, really, really well.
Arrow Ball 2006. Well, that looks like white, which looks nothing like that. So I'm not quite sure what's going on.
It is an old-time cooler, which I think would be so fun to put like in the corner of a living room or something. You can either put plants in it, or you can put champagne in it if you have guests over, or wine, or Cokes. All right, hey everyone, I'm over at Jenny's and I'm trying to figure out whether or not we got the right sink. So here it is. It's a really pretty brass hammered sink that we bought from Ferguson at build.com. So I was testing it and the good news is it looks like it fits. So also our carpenter Scott, who did such a good job, put this really pretty base on, and if you looked at the before videos you can tell how much better it is. We still need to get this hardware off and get it painted, and then he did this great little detail here where we allowed that to vent, and then you come around here, he filled that in and it fills out nicely here. So it really is the little details sometimes that just makes everything work. And then you can also see this is where we had that big louver door, and now we've got our nice jib door. We're getting some pricing back on filling in this arch so it looks prettier. You can see this is our wallpaper, which is going to go up. If you can see, it has these really cool birds on it, so that's going to go in these nooks here and over there. We've also got the jib door in so we can run wallpaper over it. Again, a trick I love to use.
Oh, you gotta be level when this do this one. Yes.
So, drop that.
I'll put it through the hole.
You don't have to.
Sure.
They're kind of hard to. There we go. Okay, thank you. Yeah, that looks perfect. Beautiful.
Like that?
I like that.
Perfect. Okay, that looks great. So we're here at Jenny's and the bar is coming a long way. We got this stone in. The stone guy said it was pretty hard to cut because each little piece of stone basically had like a different hardness and thickness, but he was able to put this beautiful edging on it, and we got these cabinets painted, and Scott did such a good job on the base around it. Adding a little base on the bottom really helped things a good bit. I just ordered some hardware from Renovation, so I wanted to make sure it looked good. I thought it would be fun. We've got these pieces from Waterworks. So this is a water dispenser. This is a just a faucet. And then we've got our brass sink there. And then of course Blaze did an incredible job getting the wallpaper up. It looks like I still need Scott. We need a ball catch here. It looks like this door needs to get painted. There's always some things that need to be done. So anyway, I need to get that done. But I ordered these. I thought instead of, I'm trying to decide whether or not, well, this is interesting. Okay, well, it's not gonna matter if I use this piece with this, but I'm wondering if some of these were, all of these are longer. So they were supposed to be 5-inch centers, which is what I measured, but it's appearing that this 5-inch center is not matching up to this 5-inch center. So I'm not sure what the story is there. So it looks like we'd have to order a size down. But the other option is that we go ahead and use this bar. Then I'll dress it up a little bit and then we can just put that on there like that. A few things we're sitting here figuring out. I realized that I did buy a 6-inch brass pull, and the reason is because they didn't come in 5s, and none of the unlacquered brass from Renovation comes in 5s, and only certain people sell unlacquered brass, which we have to have unlacquered brass. So to do this, we are going to have to do that. Otherwise, the painter who's already done is going to have to fill the holes. So I think this will look nice. And this is a super bright brass, but it is an unlacquered brass. and so it'll age over time. That's super exciting. And then we've got, this came out really well. We've got the plumbing in place, we've got the marble in place, we've got the electrical wires right here for when the sconces come in, which should be soon, but yeah. And it was funny, the painter that came to do the bar didn't even know that we had a bathroom because he didn't see it. So our invisible door worked, but we need to get the little pull in here. So I've got to get Scott over here to do that. So, and the last piece I was sitting here scratching my head about is we wanted to do some cafe curtains, but I'm realizing that these beautiful windows, these casement windows open in and not out. Which they did that to protect them from the weather, but a lot of casement windows do open out, these don't. The only thing I can think of maybe is to get a shade and put it up at the top, but I certainly don't want to cover the arch to the window, and I don't know if I can get the shade to stack close enough up there. And I certainly, other things I've done at times is just done like a shade per window. But again, the shades cover the arch. So we could can't do anything coming across because the windows can't open. So I've got to think outside of the box a little bit here and figure out how I'm going to deal with these windows. I don't have an exact answer right now. Yeah, it looks great. Yeah, no, it looks great. I was worried about how it was going to come in, but it looks, I think, yeah, it was worth it. All right, I'll be here. Thank you. All right. Okay, that was Renee. Milo did a fabulous job. This is the first time I'm seeing it all floated out, but again, looking before and afters, this window looks so much better. And it's very odd, but this bathroom literally has the best view of downtown New Orleans in the whole place because we're way up on the 4th floor. And you can see the Superdome from here, which is where the Saints play. And we just got, Renee just sent me the drawing of the smiley bar we're trying to work on. So that's still going. We got lots going all at the same time. Okay, so we have to, where did they put the test paint colors is the question. What is that? Okay.
Arrow and Ball 2006. Well, that looks like white.
So that's not, certainly not what I wanted. And this is Farrow and Wall. Both of those look like primer. I mean, do you see a difference between this and this? Okay, so I think these are the samples I asked for, which is on me, but these certainly, I mean, that is super light. That is almost white. These don't feel like the colors I picked, but who knows? Let's see if this one looks darker. These would look, something's not right here.
These look so white.
Don't they look white?
Yeah.
Great white, but it'll have a lot more color. So what we're trying to do is take the color of the bedroom and go like a shade half strength on it. So if you look at what I was looking at, see how it has a lot of pink to it?
Yeah.
A lot of pink. So that's supposed to be this one, which looks nothing like that. So I'm not quite sure what's going on. So we may need to go to the paint store and try to figure out what exactly is going on. Good news is the sinks came yesterday. These sconces, I think I'm gonna go with a sconce, which is pretty cool. It's called Margot, and it's by, okay, Huey. Here it is. So this is the Margot sconce. So it kind of like floats off the wall. So I thought that would be really pretty. And then we're gonna put the wallpaper
Episode 103, Monkey Business.
So this looks so great. I can't remember if I've showed this to you or not. But This is looking really cool. We've got some sconces coming here. I need to get a mirror made for here. Please tell me those sconces are centered. I think they're centered. Okay, so we need to get a really cool mirror made for here, which I think I know what I want to do. And we'll need Milo to make like a triangular back for it since this wall comes up. But this is a PFA wallpaper. And I love, love, love the way it came out. This thing's kind of cool. All right, so at the auction house, seeing if we can find anything for clients. Fragments of something. Well, it looks like they were doors. See that they've got a knob on them? I don't know what they were doors for. Maybe it goes with this thing. Wow. It's actually resin.
Really?
Uh-huh. Feel it? Is that metal?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. If there's any good artwork. Sometimes you can get artwork at these auctions for really inexpensive. This thing is huge, but I really need a piece of sculpture for Jenny's living room. So I found one really cool thing. It is an old-time cooler, which I think would be so fun to put like in the corner of a living room or something. You can either put plants in it, or you can put champagne in it if you have guests over, or wine, or cokes, or whatever it is. It's super cool and a really pretty piece. Alright, so we're at Benjamin Moore. Anyway, this was called Farrow & Ball 2006 Great White, and the bedroom color was called Pinois, if I'm saying that right, which is 286 Farrow & Ball. And so we're thinking that this is super light, and so we're going to try to mix a half formula of Pinois for the bathroom and see if that does better. Like no pigment at all. That's a big difference. Right? That's a big difference.
That's 50%.
Yeah. And that's a huge difference. So I think that's much more of what I was trying to get at. Back from the paint store on this very hot day. That looks much better. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Actually has some color to it. What do you think?
Yeah, that looks much better.
But do we like it? Your sinks are white. That's why I want to give the bathroom a little color, because I don't want it to be as dark as it is, but I don't want you to come in and feel like it's pure white either. So I think that'll be good. See how much better? I mean, that other color, that's like white. Still doesn't look like the color from Farrow & Ball. Okay, so let's do it on a wall that's got some light on it. I think that'll be good.
Yeah.
Okay. And it is darker. I mean, it is a good bit lighter than what's here. And then I do want to see switches. So I have to get this off. I do just want to see how it works. So So it's supposed to be half strength of what's in here. So I think that looks pretty good. So you'll kind of come in here and it'll be this nice pinky white color. Should be good. This we got these really pretty quilts from Matuk by Schumacher, which just adds something. I've got these little colorful pillows being made. So we're almost done in here. We need some artwork, but we're getting there on everything. And we just we've got more curtains being made. We've got dining room chairs being recovered. We've got bar stools being done, but we're getting there. I feel like we're getting there. We're almost there. All right. If you want to work with us, visit our website at byatelierdesign.com. Thanks for watching, y'all.